Hello guys, welcome back to Adobe Photoshop Crash Course Part 4 on how to be a master graphic designer from zero to hero. Okay, please and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to enable me do videos like this. So let's continue.
Now we can move this one to the side, then select everything here and move it to the middle. Okay, let's just leave it here first since we are still working. Okay, but now we've gotten our shape. So the next thing we need to do now is to put our text. Okay, so I'm going to click on T, which is for text, or the shortcut key for text is T. So the moment I click on T, my color changes to this color, but I want it to be white. So now I'm going to change my background color first so that my text will come out. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to come here to my layers. Under my layers here, you will see a chain here, effects for effects, then layer mask, this for colors, then this for group, then this to create a new layer, and this for delete. So I'm going to create a new layer now. So I'm going to click the background layer here, then click on create new layer. Then I'll come to my color here, my foreground, this background. So I'm going to come to my foreground color here and move the color to gray. I don't want to use pure black. I'm going to use gray first, then click on OK. Then next I'll come to my pen bucket. Under your pen bucket, if you notice something, you see a little arrow here. If you right click on that arrow or right click on this tool here, you will see different other tools, 3 other tools. Likewise, this other one here. Since there's an arrow, if I right click on this one here, you will see add board tool and move to. Same thing with this one here, rectangular marking tool. So the same thing for pen buckets here. By default, you will see gradients to work. We're not using gradient, we are using pen bucket, but we want a solid color for our background. I'm going to click on pen buckets, which is the second here, and come to my canvas, then click. So now I've gotten my canvas gray. So next is for me to come back to my text. And mind you, if I start typing from this particular point here, my text will be under this layer. Because I want my text to be on top of this my shape, I have to come and click on the first layer here. Then click here, then I can start typing. Okay, so since we are clicking T here to bring our text to write our text, and being that we also changed our foreground color to gray, our text will also change to gray. So now we need to come here or here to change our text color to white. So I'm going to click on this one now, then click on white, then click on OK. So now the first thing I'm going to also watch out for now is the text style that was used to write this text, the font that was used to write this text. So now I'm going to come here. I don't know if I have this particular font, but I'm going to use Poppy. I think Poppy should be the closest font. Then I'm going to use extra bold. Okay, so let's type now to see if it will give us what we want. Fina. So click on OK. Then I'm going to remove it from caps lock. Okay, so Poppy is okay, but let me try Montara. Montara should be a perfect match for this particular font. Okay, yeah, Montara is good, so I'm going to use extra bold. Then next I'm going to choke the text together using this one here. So if I click on this one here and click